Hi guys, it's Tablet-News.com and I'm here with the Teclast TBook 16 Pro for an unboxing. This is another one of those big 2-in-1 tablet PCs and it's an 11.6 incher this time. It's a dual boot slate with both Android and Windows on board, and you can find it on gearbest.com with a price tag between $190 and $250. It usually is part of special offers that take down the price even more. So generous connectivity, as you can see here, and also pairs up with a keyboard thanks to these special connectors. The keyboard is sold separately, but we also have it. I'm going to show it to you later on. So it's an unboxing of the Teclast TBook 16 Pro, and let's see what's inside this pretty big box. So here we find the documents, meaning the manual and all that, Windows and Android bundled, and of course we also have a charger which may require a special adapter in some countries. Moving further, we find here another box, and this one includes a bunch of cables. So these cables are as follows. We got an USB cable, regular micro USB to full USB. Then we have the charging USB cable. This one connects to the DC port. This one is the USB that goes into the charger. And finally, the USB OTG cable, useful to connect a flash drive, USB flash, and all that. Okay, so that's everything that's inside the box. Now let's go to the slate. It feels very much like the lid of a laptop. There's no camera here, and we do have a front camera with a 2 megapixel resolution. We get both Windows and Android here. Let's fire it up and see what we get. So as far as I know, we should boot into Windows and then be able to switch to Android pretty fast. Now this tablet here relies on an Intel Cherry Trail processor. It's a quad-core CPU and it's accompanied by 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, as well as a micro SD card slot. We got Wi-Fi BGN, there's Bluetooth, there's a micro HDMI port, and a 7200 mAh battery. It weighs 770 grams and offers Intel HD graphics of the 8th generation. It's got a solid metal case that's supposed to measure 4.8 mm in thickness in its slimmest point. We got a speaker here and one here with a pretty elegant design. And here we are, we're in Windows right now. And let's see how we can switch to Android. Okay, so this is Windows with all the commonly known features, which we can see here. We got the start menu, we got Cortana and Microsoft Edge, and if you want to switch to Android, you just press this button here and you'll be all set. It shuts down and goes to Android. So this screen you're seeing here is an 11.6 inch panel with a full HD resolution, and now it's time to discuss the keyboard, because I promised you that just as the tablet boots into Android, I'm going to reveal the keyboard. This is it. It kind of reminds me of the keyboard that came with the Asus Transformer tablets. It's quite hefty. It weighs 675 grams. It's sold separately and it costs $39, but it's a good pair with this tablet. So this is the connector area. You can see the pins here. You can see these docking areas. It's got a magnetic docking system and it's quite comfy. The feedback of the keys feels pretty solid at first sight, and we also get two full USB ports here. So we got one here and one here, and it connects to the tablet like this via those pins. It already got stuck to it because of the magnetic system. So that's it in a nutshell. That's how the connection goes, and it feels pretty much like a laptop right now. Now let's open up this laptop and see what's happening with that booting into Android. Let's see how we can make that happen. Okay, so it's finally booting into Android. Let's see how that happens right now. Waiting for the boot. Intel inside and all that. Quite a heavy tablet, keep that in mind. So One of the PCs weighs quite a bit, so the keyboard weighs 675 grams and the tablet weighs 772 grams. In total, close to 1 kilo and 300 grams, or maybe 400. So that's the package. Android is here. After you saw Windows 10, it's time to check out Android and its pre-installed applications. We got virtual keys here, and this is a big device that we're going to be playing with over the next days. Is the Teclast TBook 16 Pro. It's priced at $190 on gearbest.com, with special flash sales taking the price down, and the keyboard is sold separately for $39. This is it from Tablet-News.com. This has been the unboxing of the Teclast TBook 16 Pro. Bye bye.